Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 178 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Madam, what I feel is that there is a sudden rise in standard, whether it be the pre-university stage or the higher secondary stage. In this stage, suddenly pupils are asked to give essay type of answers, whereas in the secondary school stage, it is only filling up of the gaps or words or phrases are to be given for a proper pass. And this is all compressed in 1 year. There is an enormous stepping up so far as the subjects are concerned. And on top of it, the whole thing has been compressed into 1 year. It may be all right, madam, for students coming from the educated classes or the upper urban classes where the grounding has been quite good. Not only they are educated in school, their knowledge is further supplemented by the tutorial system, by parents and others in the house. So, even if the course is compressed into 1 year, they can probably follow, they can manage. But the students coming from the rural areas who have no grounding whatsoever find it extraordinarily difficult to cope up with this pre university or the higher secondary system of education. I can also show by figures how awful wastage has been there in this pre university system. The duration of courses of only 180 days is insufficient to enable him to assimilate whatever is taught to him. Even lectures he is not able to absorb and assimilate. After all, if education is not absorbed and assimilated, it serves no purpose. It is a different thing that he gets a pass, but subsequently in life, in technical courses, he finds a lot of difficulty. Madam, I happen to be in charge of a certain hostel where students seeking university education from the rural areas have been given a dominant place where free feeding is done. The hostel is situated in Bangalore city, and we find that not even 1% pass out completely in any year ever since this pre-university course has been introduced. I think it was introduced in 1956-57. Ever since that time, the students have been finding it difficult to pass. Madam, I have been managing this hostel since 1940. In the intermediate system, somehow, because it was a 2 year period, they slowly and steadily learned something, absorbed and assimilated something. In the intermediate system, there was a possibility for the science students to conduct experiments, but in the pre university stage, no chance seems to be given to the students to conduct experiments either in physics or chemistry.